Hey folks, here we are in Huron. This used to be a place where you would find a whole bunch of new homes, but you can't find new homes now. So I have the next best thing for you. I have a former model home that has now been refinished. And when I say finished, it is finished. Can't wait to show you 52 Seabrook. Let's go on inside and take a look. And when I say finished, man, is it ever finished. Every single nook and cranny, details, 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 down to the music that is pumped out even to the front porch. Can't wait to show you. Here we are inside the front foyer in this nice little niche. Great spot to put on your boots. Walking by what used to be bifold doors, but who would actually want to buy those? This place is finished properly. Welcome to your fantastic dining room. Finished again with some shiplap wall. Where do I go next? So much to show you. Living spaces are meant for living, and boy can they be lived in properly here. Such a cozy yet wide open space. Welcome to the family room. Built with a perfect floating wall over top of the fireplace. Should you care to remove that and reveal the window behind, easy for you to do. Enjoy. Since we're talking finishes, well, most parties start and finish in the kitchen. And this kitchen is like none other. Already completely redesigned, and not with just a little island. I would call this a continent. Butcher block countertops, stainless steel appliance set, including induction stove, but also a perfectly placed pantry. Now, normally I don't even talk about laundry rooms, but when it's finished this well, it deserves special mention. Just past the two-piece powder room. Now, though the basement is finished, we'll show that to you later because I'm not even close to done showing you upstairs. Maple staircase with iron pickets, finishing with a half wall was not a thought at all. Welcome to the top floor. Whether you need more finished living space or not, we have it with this top floor landing. Great spot to watch the funnies. Basic finishes are forgettable, so might I invite you to the fabulously finished primary suite with his and hers walk-in closets, plus lovely ensuite. Now there's two kids' bedrooms finished with style and flair, plus boasting walk-in closets, all sharing the sizable main bath. And welcome to the finished basement. And when I say finished, oh, I mean finished well. Of course, we have like one finished bedroom, well, more than that. So when you're talking about finishes, how about a live edge desk in a space that most people would call dead space? And when work is finished, feel free for some libations. Well, when I promised you that we weren't finished, plus we have finishes, well, here's some more. You like barn doors? How about a gorgeous basement bathroom, finished with rustic details galore? This is yet again another finished bedroom. And a backyard isn't finished without a concrete walkway leading to a concrete patio showing off a beautiful pavilion in your fenced backyard with built-in barbecue, and to finish it all off, the puppy. Say hi. Say hi. 52 Seabrook, you'll see there's nothing finished like it. I'm Watty, Chestnut Park.